Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 6th January 2017, so Happy New Year once again. I thought we'd start with the chart of Bitcoin today. This chart actually says Bitstamp. It looks like the same kind of thing though. Quite a lot's been happening in Bitcoin. We got in, at least I got in around the 700 level, around here I think. Hadn't actually noticed it went up above 1,000, so at that point I was up, or we were up, well who followed my suggestion on buying getting a toehold in this market, 30 odd percent, in fact about nearer 50% in fact I guess, above 1100. It then fell back sharply, about 20% off in a matter of some hours by the looks of it. I'm still up 20%. This is not a trading position as far as I'm concerned. I just wanted to check out the market. Seemed like a good deal, working well at the moment, and I'm very happy with the position. I'm not too bothered if it even goes below my entry point, as it were. It looks to me like we saw a good thrust up there, which was wave 1. This I think is a wave 2, ABC form. And we're now seeing this rally develop. Obviously the 1000 level is key, as of course is the resistance just below 1200 here. So the sell-off is, well, it's what it is. I think it looks to me like we will go higher. See what develops next, but as I say, this is a toehold. I mentioned a small position, which is what I treat this as, and I plan to stay with it and see how it develops, basically. Overall, I think we're going to go higher, but there will be setbacks. I'm quite sure Bitcoin is not out of the woods. There will be, I imagine, some challenges from major governments going forwards. It's interesting that the price of Bitcoin is similar to the price of gold at this point, at least, and is likely to exceed the price of gold at some point, I would expect. And as I mentioned in the video on, I think it's Wednesday evening, it's interesting that the currency based on an idea and an algorithm, and the blockchain is getting to a point where it has a similar value per unit, per ounce of gold, per Bitcoin, as the oldest currency the world has ever seen. And as I said before, all fiat currencies have eventually gone to zero, and given the way governments behave, this is not really that surprising, I guess, which is why we need an alternative. Gold may not be the best alternative, Bitcoin could be, but the idea of course has to be tested out more thoroughly. Alright, gold is now looking a lot more positive, with a possible 1, 2, possible 3, 4, and this could be some kind of fifth wave, or it could be a third of a third, whatever. We're now at the point really where I think there is a case of saying that the low's in, so I'll be looking for decent spikes, buying spikes, to position myself additionally in the gold spread bets. My investments remain in place. My IG account's up about 15% since the beginning of the year, purely based on my fairly small holdings in the gold stocks and the gold ETFs via IG, and similarly my pension fund, which is mainly, well not mainly, but is largely, I think probably about maybe 50% in some kind of gold related investment, which has also seen a pretty solid boost over the last week or so. So that's encouraging. Again, this is an investment stance, a big call if you like. I think my stance is that these markets are going to go up, and I think there's a case now that we have in fact seen the lows, so I will look out for buying opportunities going forwards on both gold and silver. Alright, finally look at Footsie. Footsie saw new all-time highs, I should say, in the last few days of the year. We now have a 1, ABC 2, I count this as a 3. I'm looking for a fourth wave and then a fifth wave rally. I think a peak around 6.2, between 6.2 and 6.4 is on the cards here. I can see it coming in the next few weeks. Not quite sure exactly when, but at some point in January. At which point I think a sell-off will come in. So I'll be monitoring that position as we go forwards, and obviously let you know if I see something which I feel is a good signal. Right now we're looking pretty positive, so nothing at the moment. Well, on that note, I'll call it today. If you found it interesting and useful, I'm back the report on Tuesday morning for subscribers. I would mention I'm now in Panama, so given the time difference, so what is Tuesday morning for me will be Tuesday afternoon for you, and I might do the report at different times given that situation. I think with gold on the up again, this could be a very good year. It obviously depends how you're positioned, but and I would expect to see some decent buying opportunities coming in the fairly near future. and I'll keep you alerted to whatever comes along. That's great, and have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.